Alright guys, so I am Julio Ramos and join me sa isang bike venture sa video na ito. So pumunta ako ng Philinvest Alabang dahil dyan yung may good spot for biking and trail riding. So morning yan, pumunta ako, nagbabike ako. Hindi ako marunong mag-dub, pero yan, nagbabike ako. Wala lang, galing lang. Hindi, ito na. So, naengganyo ako mag-bike because of my younger sister who bought 2 bikes agad for her and for my dad. Then, itong bike na to is originally gusto niya dapat pero alakas makamali. Kaya binili ko na lang sa kanya yung bike na to. So as you can see, I am preparing to go downhill sa isa sa mga trail dito sa Philinvest. So I'm just showing, I think I'm fixing something dyan before I formally go to yung parang starting point nung downhill. So ayan, nakakaya pero panoorin nyo guys. This is the important thing kapag nagte-trail ride ka. Kailangan na-scan mo muna yung buong area. It is important that you know already the trail. You know yung pacing mo, pati yung magiging bilis mo pababa. Kasi unfortunately, dahil nga ako medyo mahangin nung umaga na yan, ito yung nangyari sa akin. Panoorin natin. Yun. Okay. I see. Tuloy na tayo. So I'm just fixing my camera. Tuwingin ako sa paligid ko. Inisip ko ba may nakakita sa akin or anything. Pero wala. Kaya tuloy-tuloy tayo. So I'm actually uploading a lot of biking video sa YouTube ko. To be honest with you guys, I still don't know ano yung magiging genre nung video ko. I just wanna share my content. I really love to do video, photos, and editing, no? Yun yung actually simula bata pa ako eh. Okay, cut story muna. Ito yung kasama ko ng dad ko. That's my dad. So we're trying a little obstacle sa isa sa mga trail ride. So marami dyan eh. So yun sila kuya, sububok sila. Doon lang pala sa mali. Mali. Ayan. So marami yan pag umaga sa Philinvest. So that's my younger sister. Napunta kami sa isang city sa Metro Manila is may makikita ka pang gubat na ganyan. And it's awesome, diba? It's for the bikers. It's for the people who love to run, walk, and have some good exercise in the morning. Yeah. For sure, minute ko to. Kung hindi ko to minute, maririnig nyo to. Ano, marami sila sinasabi dyan. So, actually, we're trying to fix yung routing namin. Because we're kind of lost that time. Hindi namin alam or hindi namin na-scan yung trail na yan. It's actually new to us. Ayun, kapatid ko. Papaetok pa. Ayun o. Guys, rotoy. Actually, di ko na yan kinatkat. Next video. So, yung tawag nila dito, condo trail. Kasi tabi siya ng condo, literal. So, if you will be able to go here, dude, medyo creepy siya because beside of the river yung trail na to, and you have to be careful kasi sabi ko nga, diba, kapag trail you have to know your trail, diba? You have to scan first yung area. So ito yung, I think this is our last trail for this video. We went up sa isang pinakamataas na trail sa Alabang, sa Philinvest, where you can able to see the whole Alabang view. There you go. Then si kuya, tatanong siya, bakit po? Bakit? Ayun, mga dogs pa. So, mataas. High point yan. You know. So, you will be able to see those buildings like FEU. Ayun. So, see you next video.